The right approach would be to review the asset allocation, continue your SIPs, and deploy any additional funds in case you're having liquidity, and most importantly, avoid panic selling. So invest systematically, rebalance annually. That is what my mantra is on this.
Another day and another partner who helps decode money for us. Really, everybody knows that you work so hard to earn your money. But how about putting your money on duty to earn you more money, courtesy these remarkable independent financial advisors? Our partners for life is what I call them. These money conversations that can help your savings get absolutely smarter and grow all the time. Please welcome Ahmed. He has over 24 years of experience in retail banking, wealth management and financial research. At Baraka FinServe, he's responsible for providing strategic leadership planning and implementation of new and long-term business strategies. Prior to founding Baraka, he's worked as a senior relationship manager, Standard Chartered Bank, Bangalore, and center manager, NRI Services, Standard Chartered Bank in Hyderabad. Hi, Anis. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Sakadan. Thank you very much.
Anis, your advice to investors is a very generic topic, so we're going to have you handhold us through a vista of issues. Let's start with emotion first. Between fear and greed, which emotion would damage an Indian investor more and why?
See, it's like this, both are dangerous, but greed causes a deeper long-term damage. Fear makes investors exit temporarily during corrections, but greed, however, makes them chase hot stocks at peak valuations, and then these investing without understanding the asset allocation, it becomes a great concern. So I think greed is more dangerous than fear.
Well said. Anis, if markets fall, let's say 25% tomorrow, what would be the right reaction for an investor in your book?
See, it should be a strategic thinking. It cannot be an emotional one. 25% fall is not a disaster. It's just a repricing of the risk. The right approach would be to review the asset allocation, continue your SIPs, and deploy any additional funds in case you're having liquidity, and most importantly, avoid panic selling.
Anis, if you had to give only one rule of investing out to everybody who's watching or listening, what would that be?
So I mentioned before, asset allocation is one thing that is the most important for every investors. You may invest in equity, you can invest in debt, gold, etc. What determines is the long-term returns and your risk control. See, no one can consistently predict the markets, but everyone can diversify. So invest systematically, rebalance annually. That is what my mantra is on this.
How does social media influence today's investing decisions, Anis? Positively or negatively? What do you feel?
Yeah, I feel social media is a powerful tool. At the same time, it's a dangerous advisor. Financial awareness has increased because of social media. Young investors have started early. Information is accessible. That's the positive side. However, the negative side is that the noise is mistaken as research. A lot of people come on the social media and give different views. We treat that as noise, but noise is not research. It is not for short-term trading, and this is not for the viral tips that is given. That does not take into consideration the due diligence that is required to take in this. So I consider social media a good information tool, but a dangerous advisor.
Anis, my last question has got to be, you have inflation on one side and market volatility on the other side. What is a bigger risk, inflation or market volatility, and why?
See, market volatility is temporary, but inflation is permanent and silent. See, if your money grows at 6%, but the inflation is at 7%, you are losing money every year. So I think inflation is a bigger risk.
Well, there you have it from Anis. Your money is not going to work by itself. It needs these independent financial advisors to come into your life and give you that nudge. You want to catch us in video form, we're on the Radio 1 International YouTube channel. And of course, every single weekday, Money on Duty with me, Hrishi K, comes at you on the radio 8:30 to 9 a.m. It's powered by SBI Mutual Fund, a partner for life. Anis, thank you very much for your time. All of you listening and watching, please go follow him on LinkedIn. Baraka FinServe, Anis Ahmed is what you should look for. Thank you for your time, Anis. I appreciate it. Cheers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Hrishi.
One world, your station.